Hello and welcome to this tutorial from Everett Public Schools on the Canvas Parent app. My name is Joanne Budeweg. I'm the Director of Learning Management Services as part of our Learning and Information Technology Services Department. I'm here today to share with you a little bit of what you'll find when you load the app first on your phone. If you need any support, my department is here to help you. Let's get started. Directions for your specific phone can be found linked to our parent university. You either download the iOS or the Android app, which can be found in the accompanying stores. Once you download the app, you will come across the Canvas Parent Find School option. Simply select the Find School button. When you go to find your school, you'll need to type in our organization. You will type in Everett and you should see a list start to populate. Please make certain you select Everett School District 2. You will need to make sure that you are signing up for a Canvas account within our district. Once you find it, simply hit select and it will take you to the next login screen. Once you arrive at the login screen, you will type into the district ID your LMS parent username. Your parent username is the same you use to log into the Gradebook or to the Home Access Center. It is typically your first initial, period, last name, and perhaps a number accompanying that. Your password will be the same as you use for the Gradebook and Home Access Center and website. If you've forgotten your password, you can use your Forgot Password option and retrieve it using your security questions. If that option doesn't work, simply email lms@everettsd.org and we'll help you update your account information. When you first come into your Canvas instance, it may be prior to the start of school year. At that time, there will be no courses listed. You may see your child's name at the top and a pull-down menu next to it in which you would see other children. From the screen, typically you would see one child's name and any courses they were enrolled in. This would be your jumping off point to learn about what's due, the calendar, and content information about specific assignments. Let's take a tour of the other features within the Canvas Parent app. Canvas allows each district to set up their Canvas instance differently. In Everett Public Schools, we try to minimize access to student information by addressing all security issues within our student information system. That means that we don't directly allow users to add students to observe through the app. We will not be using joined codes in Everett Public Schools. Instead, we integrate from the information in our student information system. If you believe you should have access to a student and do not, please start with your home school to see if you are set up correctly in our student information system. Let's keep going and look at the other features within the product. One excellent feature within the app is the calendar option. In the school year, it will be populated with any events or assignments due on a given day. It's done in a week view and it is arranged per student for the parent's ease. From the calendar, you can actually go directly into the assignment and see the directions. In Everett, the parent app did not launch until spring of 2020. So many parents were unaware of its existence at the time that some of the teachers used it during COVID. If you note under alerts, there are 22 alerts for this parent, several of which came in the spring. Any unread alert will remain on the alerts number. As soon as it is viewed, you will then see that number reduce. If you see the little blue dot by the eye on this announcement, you will note that it has been unread. Any course announcements delivered to the students will be available for the parents who are observing them in the app. Beyond the courses, calendar, and alerts that appear on the main page, you will note in the upper left-hand corner of the app 3 parallel lines. If you link here, there's another menu, and on that menu are other features within the Parent Canvas app. Let's take a look at those. When you select the three lines and the menu pops up, you will see your name and you will see your email that's associated with your parent account through the Student Information System. If that is not an accurate email, please contact your school and update your records there. There will also be an online method through our Home Access Center where you can update your email, or you can simply do the update form that comes out annually to make sure your information is accurate. We're going to take a look first at the inbox, which is at the top of the menu. The inbox will show you communication within a course between your student and the teacher, or the teacher may reach out to you directly through the Canvas messaging system. This is internal to the app and within the product. If you choose to receive email notifications when you are messaged, you can set that up yourself, which will be shown at a later date on the web interface. But at this point within the app, you have no need to be emailed because all the messaging will be in your inbox within the Canvas Parent app. The next item on the pop-up menu is Manage Students. This is similar to the pull-down Manage Students page you come to from the main page. In Everett, again, we do not add students with the plus menu. If you did accidentally select the plus, it's going to prompt you to find a pairing code. We should not be using pairing codes in Everett Public Schools because we want to assure that we are integrating from our student information system to keep your students' records private and safe, and only for those approved guardians. Again, and if you need any support in this, email lms@everettsd.org. Further options for parents include setting the screen to be at high contrast. This just changes the view for you, the user. Canvas builds a help feature directly into the parent app. There's a Canvas 101 class, searching Canvas guides for support, and other options that may be available to you. Please note that there will be directions in the Canvas community about adding pairing codes, which are not in use in Everett Public Schools. There may be other limitations for how we've set things up in Everett. Please always feel free to ask. The final two items, Switch Users and Log Out, essentially take you out of your Canvas Parent app. The Canvas Parent app can be utilized in other school districts or other regions simultaneously. If you happen to have other children in which you are an observer or guardian, you may have another instance of Canvas. This just allows you to switch which user role you are using at that time. You will see previous logins down at the bottom that will help you quickly return. And there's an option for a QR code that is personalized to you only for the mobile app to re-log in. This video was meant to give you just a simple overview of the Canvas Parent app once you load it onto your device. A second video in this series will share with you how the course content appears to you as a parent and how you can see into the world of your student's classroom simply with an app on your phone. We hope you have a fabulous day, and if you have any other questions, please email us at lms@everettsd.org.